Citation. Video of it here real quick. This guy went to Louisville with this huge load the other day. I wanted to get him on camera for a little bit of a talk about his job. He's obviously a professional, the way he goes about it. You can see the stacks of wood that he has here. He's replacing old stacks of wood. This is actually a 22 wheel rig. There's 12 at the back there. This guy carries a really heavy, wide load. He's got his wide load flags at the front of his wheels on both sides. You can see the orange one there. So the load actually hangs over each side on the left and the right. And it's a strange looking trailer. It kind of hangs down as it gets close to the fifth wheel. So we're still waiting for this guy to be cleared by Philadelphia into Philadelphia airspace. You should be able to see him. He's on the taxiway just sitting there burning up his fuel. His passengers just got to the airport about 15 minutes ago. They're running about an hour late. So that's the life of a corporate pilot. When I say corporate, I mean small private jets. They end up hanging out and waiting at airports for extended period of times. It's not uncommon for them to do that. So, and he's still waiting to hear from Philadelphia to give him the go-ahead. There's some considerable weather. I don't know if there's a lot of cumulonimbus clouds popping up all over the place here. You can feel it's kind of warm and moist, the air. And that almost looks like a thunderhead there. I don't know. Almost, but there's no precipitation. It's just kind of a strong wind from the south-southwest. We're looking north right now. That's north. So to the right is east, and further around as we pan to the right.
Johnny Hawker 800 Whiskey Hotel will be taking runway 29. Will be departure straight up for runway 29 Chester County.
There you go. So he got Philadelphia gave him the go-ahead, so he'll be coming down right now. And there he goes, turning. Get over to 29, and no other traffic has been mentioned. He shouldn't have any problem. It's a steady wind. I mean, there's not a lot of convective activity. There's just a lot of these like pop-up clouds, kind of typical for summertime in this area. And he's rolling. Kind of a long roll for that airplane, but he's up. Noise abatement, that left-hand turn. Could be going to Florida though. It's a possibility. Say hi to my friend at Cape Canaveral. Today's his birthday. My roommate from college.